In this video, I will show you how to lock Instagram on an iPhone with Face ID. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is find the Instagram app on your iPhone from your home screen. Once you've located the app, what you want to do is press and long hold onto the app itself, and you're going to get a menu come up. Now at this point, what you want to do is press onto the option down here, which says require Face ID. When you press onto this, what it's going to do is come up with a message like this. As you can see, it says this app will require Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. So at this point, all you want to do is press require Face ID. When you press this, what it's going to do is actually scan your face. You can see the animation at the top. And now if we go ahead and try to open Instagram, it's going to require Face ID, as you can see, before we actually open up Instagram. So that is how to lock Instagram on iPhone with Face ID. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.